Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cristely Cranston. For the ones who don't know me, welcome to my channel, guys. Guys, we are on our way to a wonderful WONDR experience, and I am here with Ruby and Raja. We just went to get ourselves some coffee because we are so tired right now, and this is what we need to wake us up. I don't know where we're going right now. Jonathan is our guide. I don't think. Oh, we are in north of Amsterdam and Northern Park. It's gonna be a fun day at Amsterdam. Okay guys, so we are in this cute building. There are different rooms with different themes. This one is like present theme, and that's like a teddy bear theme. Oh my god, so freaking cute. Oh my god, Chucho! So they just told us that there's like 16 rooms, and we are in the second one right now. In this room, you can write something on the wall, so I'm gonna write tres. You see, Bonaire represents Cristely Cranston, you know, and this flamingo to represent our iconic flamingos. We are waiting in line, and Jojo's kind of bored, so he's
making a braid.
he's making a braid out of this. This room is so cute. Whoa, this part is so tricky.
Trippy?
Trippy. It's trippy. So now we are in this other room. It's like a more like a musical room.
What's going on?
¿No se atendiendo the same? Hey, it's a whole vibe, guys. It's a whole vibe. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. I mean like a wrecking ball. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I am hot right now. I'll take you to the candy shop. I'll let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Until you hit that spot. Oh. Whoa, ito gano'n super cute. So cool. I think we're in the tropics. We're back on Bonaire. We're like in this marshmallow room. It's super cute. Jonathan just fell and hit his head so hard, and he played it cool. Wow, so much confetti. Jonathan got something in his mind. I don't know what it is, but he told us to push all of the confetti together so we can pick it or something. Go, stop. Ah, okay, you troll. Okay, you. Suka diving. It's like that. Oh my god, you're crazy. Like now we can select our pictures we have taken. There's a bunch of, but we gotta pay, of course. That's always the trick. Okay, so we printed out a few pictures. They are so cute. Okay guys, so our day at WONDR has come to an end. Now we are gonna go to another Insta-perfect restaurant, so stay tuned. We are on our way to Mama Kelly. We are starving. So we are here at Mama Kelly. It's also a Insta-perfect restaurant. Super cute. Hi. Hi. Jonathan is saying that this place is smelling like piss. I can't smell because my nose is not working. Hopefully the food is good. Hopefully it's good. It is good. Because we came all the way here and on an empty stomach. So we decided we are not gonna eat here. We're just gonna take a drink and eat one bite, and after that we will go eat pizza. Because to be honest, we are starving.
Yeah. And the food here is overpriced for what it is.
Yeah, the food is looking so overpriced, and we need like something to fill our belly because we are getting hungry right now. You guys will see us enjoying our pizza outside. That's gonna be amazing. We got our pizza. We ordered from Domino's and we are okay. Ruby is already eating. Jojo? Yeah, look at what I ordered. I ordered veggie pizza with pineapples. Yes, I'm that type. We're gonna eat. Okay guys, so we are at Amsterdam, and they came with a brilliant idea to go get a piercing. Let's do it! I'm not gonna do it, I'm just gonna watch them. I'm not. I'm so tired right now, I just wanna go home. Just because. Ruby, show me your other ear. Boom. She did it, guys. She did it. And guess who is thinking about doing it? Okay, he's gonna do it.
Before and after?
Are you even ready?
I'm not.
Let's show me your face.
God, you're getting red.
let me see. Let's see. Cute. Aww. Well, he did it. He did it. We're at the red light district, going towards it, and there's a few girls in the windows. I'm not gonna film them because I respect their privacies. Okay guys, our day is coming to an end. We are walking towards Central Station to go back home for Rotterdam. It was a really fun day together with these twos. They are so fun to hang with. Oh yeah, walking towards Central Station. By the way, my camera's battery just died, so I'm just filming on my phone right now. We are here, Amsterdam Central. Gotta put on our mask before going inside. We are on our way back. I am happy because I'm tired.
Very tired though.
Alright guys, so we made it back to Rotterdam. We're so cold and tired.
Nice.
Like what? I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This is the end of the day. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And to mine. Yeah, and Ruby's is Ruby Pushay. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and see you in my next video. Bye.